I've made over $100,000 in a day before, and in this video I want to explain to you guys how you can do that too. And in this video I'm going to give you guys 3 ways where you can make $100,000 per day. These are very much so not super easy ways, but they're worth the time and effort to make them happen. You can make over $100,000 a day and scale up huge. Let's dive in. Now the first way is you could do big paid ad campaigns. I'm talking where you're scaling, doing budgets of thousands and thousands of dollars per day, 10,000 all the way to 50,000 plus, and that way you can make 2x or higher ROIs, return on investment. That's a big deal. Now to get to that point, it requires a lot of money just to test different campaigns. Now what are you selling? You're most likely going to be selling affiliate offers, but you can also do your own products. You can do physical products, etc. But the point is you're testing different things out into the world, and you're seeing if people are buying. And if people are buying at a big scale, you can really crush it. And also you need to test different ads and see what ads are working, and that's how you make this kind of money. Now the second way is doing big product launches. I'm talking product launches where you have an audience or you leverage someone else's audience and you promote new offers or just one core offer, product or service to them, and it has a lot of scarcity, it has a lot of urgency around it, and that gets people to take action right then for the launch period of time, just like what Apple does with the iPhone and the new products they come out with. You could do the same thing for yourself, and you can do product launches and make a ton of money super fast. It's like a huge spike of income. Now the third way is you could do drop shipping at a big scale. I'm talking you build e-commerce general store, or you do one product drop shipping website. What you do, you want to spy on a bunch of products out there and use spy tools and see what are the best products right now that are just selling like hotcakes. That's what you got to figure out. Then you test them to the market and you see if they are winning, and then you're going to make your own store around it and add upsells and everything. And that's how you can literally make $100,000 per day very quickly doing e-commerce or doing product launches or just doing big paid ad campaigns. Thank you for watching this video. Check out more videos, and peace out.